It actually was around for a while, and Meta was actually one of the first, and then it almost like was that they gave up a bit too early, and now they're trying to get started again. Really excited to have Guillaume, who's the founder of LiveMeUp, one of the shopping platforms, who has partnered with Meta to bring live shopping back to Facebook. I thank you so much, Guillaume, because I know this is all still so new, and we know that there will be other announcements that roll up, but I think this demo gives everybody a bit of a window into the simplicity of how to get started, especially when it integrates directly with your Shopify.
Facebook has decided to outsource the checkout experience and the product experience. Meta came to us a few months ago, inviting us to participate. LiveMeUp is a built for Shopify app specialized in live shopping on the market since 2022, based in France and based in the US. Meta want to get back into live shopping in the US.
This will be happening for Canada as well, or it is, yes?
Yeah. I mean, we're testing the US market this week and next week, but then Meta will open everywhere. They don't want to let TikTok having 100% of the business. And so they have tied their live shopping operations with live ads. It's what GMV Max is for TikTok Shop, live ads is for Facebook live shopping. Meta will make a gate to live shopping with live ads.
So it'll be a must. It'll be a must do live ads. Okay, got it.
I think we should be honest to everyone and say that very clearly, because there's no free lunch with Meta. No, it does not happen. Sorry for that. And so enabling product pinning and checkout on Facebook will be triggered by live ads. A live video ad is the algorithm which is bringing people into your Facebook page, like GMV Max on TikTok. The way it works is that your live stream will be exposed to people which are supposed to be interested by your live stream when they are navigating the feed of Reels. So for the purpose of this demo today, we will be focusing on what's happening with Meta. The integration starts from the Shopify backend as a sales channel here, where you need to download the Facebook and Instagram app, which is a free app on the App Store. From there, you will connect your Facebook shop and you will synchronize your product to Meta. And so that's the starting point. And in the settings, you will then have to connect your Facebook page. So you connect your catalog, it's synchronized to Meta with Meta. You connect your Facebook page, you're all set on Meta's side. And the rest happens on LiveMeUp here, where you got to use the integration here. And the integration is on Meta, and you connect your Facebook business account, not the personal page. So you got to have a business portfolio. It's easy to get. It's just a request within your Meta manager. Creating an event. We're going to make the live with Dawn today. From that event, I will select the product that I will be showcasing during the live stream. Let's say that one and that one. Here, you double check Facebook is active, the streaming. Okay, we're good to go. It's written go live. I connect my smartphone from where I will be streaming myself. So you see how much LiveMeUp is intuitive, easy to use. In few clicks, I'm live. The Facebook chat is integrated back into LiveMeUp platform alongside the Shopify chat.
So right now, Guillaume is setting up his phone. He is demoing as well as showing us the viewer experience. So right now he is going on to the LiveMeUp Facebook page, which has been set up with live shopping. And sure enough, there's the buttons right there on Facebook. This actually is true live shopping where the viewers can watch via the website, but also via Facebook, which is the big announcement that essentially just happened with LiveMeUp being the Shopify partner for Meta live shopping. And as you can see, he's chosen products that essentially are in a Shopify store because LiveMeUp integrates directly with your Shopify, which means when people watch on Facebook and they press the buttons of the products that they want, because those were all built into the show, now the fulfillment, the checkout happens organically through Shopify.
Within the video, there's a small button basket at the bottom, and in this button basket, you have the whole range of products that are introduced during this live stream. Zero friction on the Facebook side. That means there's nothing to enable on Facebook during the live stream. There's no double window to manage. The deal with Facebook is that brands should bring live ads and build a campaign out of the live stream to pull the audience back to the live stream. You got to strategize with your clients and with your brand.
Meta appears to be offering certain incentives, in some cases credits, to try live Meta ads, which I think is perfect because it lets you play a little bit more than maybe you normally would.
Once you connect LiveMeUp with your Facebook account, with your Meta account, actually, we connect as well your ads account. And so you create a campaign, you enable the live ads as the creative and the direction. And then once you go live here, we send that information to ads manager, and the ads manager knows that you are live, and then we'll enable the live, run the algorithm to pull audience to your live stream. If anyone is used to navigate in between 3.5 and 4.5 ROAS, for regular ads, the early assumption of Facebook is that based on Asian market, it's that the ROAS is twice as much as the regular ads ROAS. So the expectation is to be above 8 for live stream ROAS. It makes sense because we all know, and you're the first one, Dawn, that live stream convert. You are used to say 10x better than regular business, already integrated with your live ad system, and so you don't have to do anything prior to going live on LiveMeUp. You just go live on your Shopify.
I've used LiveMeUp. It's an excellent platform, but of course, with this integration with Facebook and Facebook Live Shopping, I think this is absolutely brilliant. Removes an area of friction for sure. People may wonder, what is their process if they go, I want to start Facebook Live Shopping? First of all, you are the platform if they are a Shopify brand. How do they access the Facebook Live Shopping? Is it automatic?
You want to have access to that, you got to be a paying client on a LiveMeUp plan. So whatever it's the plan, at the scale, the grow, or the enterprise plan, it starts at $89 per month. We should not forget that one. Everything's connected to live ads.
Will there be an additional upcharge with LiveMeUp? What can you tell us at this point?
We are building the business model, but there will be a tiny add-on. It costs us a lot of money to develop and maintain this integration, plus the streaming cost towards Facebook. So we can't make that for free. There will be an add-on, reasonable.
What people should also know is that live shopping with LiveMeUp and many of the other platforms has been around for a long time. And I'm a proponent and a fan of live shopping no matter what.
If brands are not willing or not capable today to invest money on Facebook, they will still be able with LiveMeUp to stream onto Facebook, but without the product pinning. So they will still be able to do as they've been doing for the last 4 years, streaming onto Facebook, commenting and everything, but no pinning product and no checkout.
Again, still brings that top of funnel visibility, which still has huge benefits. My word of advice for people is everybody should be doing live shopping. If you're not ready for Facebook yet, you can't dedicate the ad spend, you want to sort of wait to see how it rolls out, start with live shopping on platforms like LiveMeUp right now, because when you are ready to do the Facebook part, you've already worked through all the technical. Like it's really just one more button at that point from an account setup, correct?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
$89 per month kind of gets you started and you can start reaping the benefits of live shopping. I know that this is early days. I will definitely make sure that everybody has a link to sign up for LiveMeUp as a partner of LiveMeUp. Just thrilled again to be part of the conversation. I know you're busy, but thank you so much for making time for me and my audience today, Guillaume.
I know you're a very much advocate of live shopping, so I need to talk with you.
Yes, I am here to help as I can. Thank you, Guillaume.